A very good morning and good evening to all the participants. In today's session, we would start with S4 logistics. So we're going to start with the logistics and the integration between logistics and finance and the embedded analytics. So first, I would like to start with the introduction. Logistics is a SAP Simple Logistics is also known as SAP S4 HANA Enterprise Management. It basically evolves from SAP HANA, which is known as the product. It is delivered with the product which is known as SAP HANA. On top of SAP HANA, we have S4 HANA Simple Logistics. Now we know SAP HANA is an in-memory database where data is stored in column-oriented fashion, but usually for logistics, it is stored in row-oriented fashion. As we know, S4 HANA has very good user interface, which is known as SAP Fiori apps. So SAP Fiori apps is the front end. In the context of S4 HANA, we have heard about digital core. Digital core enables customer in order to utilize the Internet of Things. It is the faster way in order to process the data. The SAP system is also changing based on the market demand when compared to the other ERPs in the market. In S4 HANA, we have different components like finance, logistics, human capital management. S4 HANA consists of three modules in SAP ERP Business Suite. Material management, supply chain, demand planning, sourcing and procurement, contract management, and manufacturing. These are the key modules under SAP ERP Business Suite. So all these are key modules under SAP ERP Business Suite. There are few business process that can be managed using SAP S4 HANA. They are inventory management, inventory management. Inventory management is used to simplify data models, to increase materials and able to plan in a most granular way. The next is procurement. Procurement is used to achieve, to improve the efficiency in procure to pay process, like new analytical apps, like KPIs, Ariba, which is a cloud-based. So in the next one, materials requirement planning. So in the material requirement planning is used to fast MRP runs, a new working model for MRP controllers based on decision support. And finally, order management and billing. Order management and billing is used to process order to cash process, information on the exceptions on the product issues. So these are the different business processes which can be managed using the SAP S/4HANA. Mainly in logistics, we focus on central components. In logistics, we focus on central components. In central component, we have material management, sales and distribution, and production planning. These topics comes under logistics central components. The functionalities which are available in CRM, SRM are also available in central components. In ECC, we have to coordinate lot of times to contact the third party. In ECC, the integration is also very low because we are using the traditional databases, and previously we don't have lot of storage that is available, and now high-speed processing in S/4HANA. In S/4HANA, there is no concept of aggregates. There are few tables that we combine multiple tables into one table. For example, we have MATDOC table, AC DOCA table. MATDOC table is a transparent table. MATDOC is a transparent table. It basically takes only 2 to 3 seconds to run a report. Just in MATDOC table, it just take about few milliseconds. But normal It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to. AC Docker table contains all of the line items in terms of asset accounting and controlling. MATDoc table and AC Docker table are the new tables in S4 HANA. So, what further activities we are going to see? So, what are the other activities we are going to see? First, we have to configure. First, we need to start with the configuration company code. So, as you know, company code is the central organization of the external accounting in the S4 HANA. We must define at least one company code before implementing the financial accounting in S4 HANA. Next, we need to start with plant. Plant is an operating area in a company. The plant is embedded into the organization and it is assigned to a single company code which can have several plants. A plant can have different languages and which can belong to different countries. Next, location. A location allows the plant in order to identify according to the situation. Next one is division. A division is the material master in an organization unit, which is used to maintain related fields and assign material to a object. A single business area is assigned to plant or to a division. Next one is sales organization. Several divisions can be assigned to sales organization. So several divisions can be assigned to sales organization, which is responsible for the materials. In a sales area, determines which distribution channels can be utilized from one division to another division. Next one is distribution channels. A distribution channel is mainly defined to take care of sales in different sales organizations. We can define a distribution channel for direct sales, internet sales, through dealers, etc. Next is storage location. All the data that is referring to a storage location, several storage locations in which material stocks are managed that belong to a plant. Next is purchasing organization. A purchasing organization, an organizational level that negotiates conditions of purchase which endorse one type of plant. It is legally responsible for completing the purchasing contract. The next one is shipping point. Shipping point is an independent organizational unit and it is responsible for inbound and outbound deliveries. Shipping point plays a major role in delivery of goods and services. Now, now we are going to create organizational unit, sales organization, distribution channel, storage location, shipping point, and so on. So first we need to perform with sales organization. So what we'll do is I'll start with the creation of company code. So I'm just trying to log into the SAP logon. So let us log into S4 HANA. So I just log into S4 HANA. Let us enter SPROT code. So I'm just trying to create a company code. So let us expand the definition. Let's expand financial accounting. So here we're just creating a company code. So let us click execute. Double click on edit company code data. To create a new entry, let's click on new entry. Let us provide the company code name. So I'm providing the company code CC06. So let us view the company name. HANA. HANA Software Solutions. City. So let us continue to create. This I'm giving a general name. So here you can see the data was saved. Let's go back. So here we can see the company code. Here we can see the company code, HANA Software Solutions. Let us go back. So we completed the company code. So next, let's create plant. Let's create plant. So let us define a plant. Let us define a plant. Let us provide the factory calendar. IN and click save. Provide the country over here. So the country India and click continue and click continue. So here you can see the data was saved. Let's go back. The plant is created. The plant is created. So to create the location, click on define location. Click on new entries. Provide the plant. Provide location. So enter the country. So let's continue. Data was saved. Let's click back. Let's execute. So let's execute define division. Let's click on new entries. So let's continue. So here we can see the division is created. So now let us create sales organization. So let us continue to create sales organization. Let's create sales organization. Let us define the sales organization. So let us go back. So let's view the distribution channels. I'm providing the distribution channel. So let us enter the plant. Let us continue. Data was saved. Let's go back. So let us continue. Provide the purchasing organization. Provide the description. Click save. Now click continue. Data was saved. Let us go back. So let us expand logistics execution. So we have to define the shipping point. So enter the shipping point. Enter the description. So let us provide the country and click continue. Data was saved. So here we define the shipping point. So we completed the distribution channels, sales organizations, company code, shipping point. Now let us assign plant to company code. Let us do the assignment of plant to company code. So let us expand assignment. And let us expand logistics general and assign plant to company code. So here we're going to assign company code to plant. So assign CC06. So the plant and click save. So here you can see the company code CC06. And then let us go back. So let us expand sales organization. Click execute. Click on position. Enter sales organization. Click enter. Enter the company code. So let us continue. So here we can see sales organization. It's assigned to the company code. So let us go back. Now we are going to assign distribution channel to sales organization. So let us do the assignment. Assign distribution channel to sales organization. So let's click on new entries. Provide the sales organization S4 S06 and provide the distribution channel. So let's save. Let's save, let's continue. Data was saved. Let's go back. Now let us assign a division to sales organization. Let's go back again. Click execute. Click on new entries. Enter the sales organizations S06. So enter the division. Click save, click continue. Data was saved. Let us go back. Let us set up sales area. Let us execute. Click on new entries. Provide the sales organizations S06. So let us provide the division D6. Click Save and click Continue. Now let us go back and go back. Now assign sales organization, distribution channel and plant. Let us click on new entries and let us enter the sales organization S06 and enter the distribution channel D6 and let us enter the plant P6. Now click Save. Now click Continue. So the data was saved. Let's go back. Now let us assign purchasing organization to company code. For this, expand metals management. Purchasing organization to company code. Click execute. Click on position and enter purchasing organization PO6. Click continue. Now assign it to the company code CC06. Select company code and click save. Click continue. Data was saved. And let us go back. Now let us assign purchasing organization to plant. Let us assign to plant. Click execute. Click on new entries. Let us enter the purchase organization PO6. Enter the plant P6 and click save. Click continue. Data was saved. Let's go back. So we're going to assign shipping point to plant. Let us expand logistics execution and assign shipping point to plant. To search for plant, let us search for the plant. Let us click on find for P6. Double click on P6. Click on assign. Search for shipping point. So click on copy. A shipping point is assigned to plant. Now click save. Click continue. Data was saved. Now let's go back. Let us close the logistics execution. Let us close the assignment. So here we have financial accounting, expand financial accounting global settings, expand global parameters for company code. Let us execute enter global parameters. Click position, enter the company code CC06, click enter. So here we can see the company code, company name, city, country, currency and so on. So we don't have to change. And click save and data is saved. So these are the main configuration steps. If you want to see the assignment for today's session, go to Dropbox Set2 folder, go to Set2 assignment, open S4 HANA assignment, go to S4 HANA logistics, here you can find the assignment for configuring the enterprise structure. Let us open the assignment. Here, which I've explained in the here, click on SAP logon, click on S4 ADS system, provide the user and password, then press enter. Enter the T code SPRO. Here, click on SAP reference image. Like this, I've given step-by-step process in these assignments.
Thank you all the participants to attend today's session. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you. Thank you all the participants.